Well, it's evident that SiGMA grew even bigger this year, but we have also grown our presence massively, and we have a really great advertising campaign this year, and we are receiving overwhelming feedback about it.
Este año SoftSWISS tuvo una participación espectacular en el evento SiGMA. Estuvimos atendiendo a nuestros potenciales clientes y colegas, y las expectativas en LATAM son muy importantes. Los esperamos en Latinoamérica.
SiGMA is always a great opportunity to meet our partners in person, to share and get some business insight and build some new promising relationships.
This year it's full of energy, full of contacts, a lot of great opportunities. I really adore SiGMA Malta, and I'm really keen to see what will be next.
For me personally, our biggest advantage as a company to see that from event to event, we grow not only by people count, but also by people professionalism.
SiGMA me pareció súper interesante. Bueno, pude conocer a otra parte de la empresa, gente muy grande, con muchas propuestas, y por suerte estamos creciendo a pasos agigantados.
SiGMA is a perfect chance to see how the innovations come to the gambling industry.